Hi, my name is Eileen. My blog is etspeakfromhome.blogspot.co.uk. Today I am reviewing the LG GS5163 model, and now I'm going to show you the inside of the fridge. On the top shelf, it's very easy to access anything that you put it on there. Lots of storage tray here, and it comes with a divider that you can just clip it in, and it's also come with this non-plumbing ice and water container where you open it and gently slot it out for you to put in water. That alarm is to tell you to close your fridge, and it's quite easy to open and put the water in. If you didn't want to put the water in through taking it out, there's another way to do it. It's easily just push it in and lock it, and you can open up this and pour it straight into here. And you can just close it. And it comes with an egg tray, LED light, a wine rack, lots of shelf, and this one is for fruit and veg, and it's quite easy to click another fruit and veg. And the last drawer is for the meat. For this drawer, it's a bit small, but over here there's a humid control where you can just turn to high or low, up to your choice. Right. This is the freezer, and this is the icebox. During the winter time where you don't need to make ice, it's just quite easy that you lift it up and slide it out and replace it with a plastic tray here for more storage. Okay, now I'm going to put it back. It's very easy to slot it in, and over here they have 5 shelves, but it's all permanently fixed, so you cannot change the height at all. And the tray is quite small and narrow. Right, this is the display. There's 3 options. You can display dispenser water, ice, or crushed ice. So I'm gonna dispense water. And you can see there's light here, and it's really quite noisy when you have the water. The water comes straight from the water container here. There's this express freeze, which is this, and you can do child lock where you press for at least 3 seconds and you will lock the whole panel. Okay, off the express freeze. That is the freezer where you can do the temperature, and again for the fridge. And there's light, which is here. To remove the tray, just give it a push, and it's quite easy to come out and to give it a clean. And when you want to put it back, just press it down. Thank you for watching my review. Hope you'll like it.